Hello students, welcome to the class. So we have started your economics chapter, economics first chapter development, and we have to continue this from here, national development. So as we have seen above, individuals seek different goals, then their notion of national development is also likely to be different. So if everyone is different, so how the national development goal is same for the nation? If we ask anyone or if we discuss it in our class, then according to them what is national development, or according to them what should we can do to uh, to add in national development to countries development, then there are different ideas they give us for the national development. Most likely you would find that different students in the class have given different answers. Each one has different opinions and each one give different answers. Like according to some, if there is no poor person in a country, then only country can develop or get proper development. And according to some, if the technology, the advancement of technology is great, then only India or the country is developed. So different persons have different opinions for the national development. It is very important to keep in mind that different persons could have different as well as conflicting notions of country's development. What is the meaning of notions? Idea. So each one of us have different idea, and each one of us have different views on the development for the country. However, can all the ideas be considered equally important? These are all the questions we should discuss in the class. Your next topic is how to compare different countries or states. You might ask, if development can mean different thing, then how come some countries are generally called developed and other underdeveloped? Before we came to this, let us consider another question. When we compare different things, they could have similarities as well as differences. Which aspects do we use to compare them? Let us look at student in the class itself. How do we compare different students? They differ in their height. अगर एक हम नेशन की बात कर रहे हैं और in other case we have take the example of a class. In the class each one is different from another in their height, in their looks, in their body shape, in their knowledge. Each one is different. So the different in their, some are different in their height, health, talent and interest. The healthiest student may not be the most studious one. जो बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्दी स्टूडेंट है ज़रूरी नहीं कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्टूडियस है, पढ़ने में बहुत अच्छा हो. द मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट्स मे नॉट बी द फ्रेंडलीस्ट वन. और जो बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट है ज़रूरी नहीं कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेंडलीस्ट हो. सो हाउ डू वी कंपेयर स्टूडेंट्स? सो स्टूडेंट्स को हम कैसे कंपेयर करेंगे? The criteria which we may depends on the purpose of comparison. We use different criterion to choose a sports team, a debate team, a music team or a team of organize a picnic. Still, if for some purpose we have to choose for the criterion for the all round progress of children in the class, how shall we do it? हर एक चीज़ को चूज़ करने का एक डिफरेंट क्राइटेरिया होता है, उसके बेसिस पे किसी भी चीज़ का सिलेक्शन होता है. सो अगर हमें ऑल राउंड प्रोग्रेस चेक करनी है किसी चिल्ड्रन की, तो उसका भी एक डिफरेंट क्राइटेरिया होगा. सो व्हाट इज़ इट? Usually we take one or more important characteristics of person and compare them based on their characteristics. Of course, these can be differences about what are important characteristics that should be form the basis of comparison: friendliness, spirit of cooperation, creativity और marks secured। ये सारे बेसिस पे हम एक ओवरऑल ग्रुपिंग करके एक सिलेक्शन कर सकते हैं कि कौन स्टूडियस है एंड विच क्राइटेरिया इज़ यूज्ड फॉर द सिलेक्शन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स। दिस इज़ ट्रू ऑफ डेवलपमेंट टू। जैसे हम एक क्लास में स्टूडेंट्स का सिलेक्शन करते हैं उसी तरीके से हम डेवलपमेंट को भी चूज़ कर सकते हैं और उसके लिए भी हम डिफरेंट क्राइटेरिया को यूज़ कर सकते हैं किसी भी कंट्री की डेवलप्ड है या अंडर डेवलप्ड है उसको फाइंड करने के लिए। फॉर कंपेयरिंग कंट्रीज़ देयर इनकम इज़ कंसिडर्ड टू बी द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एट्रीब्यूट्स। किसी भी कंट्री को चूज़ करने के लिए कि वो डेवलप्ड है या अंडर डेवलप्ड है, वहाँ की इनकम कैसी है उसको हम लोग सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंटली चूज़ करते हैं। सो व्हाट इज़ इट? वी शैल कंटिन्यू दिस टुमारो।